The reality is that about 1 in 6 of us will get sick from food this year. The good news is there are some simple things you can do to help prevent an outbreak from occurring at your next picnic or barbecue. The most important thing you can do is to wash your hands. Don't contaminate cooked or ready-to-eat food with raw chicken or meat. Make sure you cook your meat thoroughly to the proper temperatures and keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold. The most important way you can avoid cross-contamination is to not use the same plate for cooked meat that you use for raw meat. When going on a picnic, it's really important to plan ahead. Make sure you have plenty of coolers and plenty of ice to keep foods cold. And when we say keep foods cold, we mean keep it at 41 degrees or below. Hot foods need to be at 140 degrees or above. If you're going on a picnic and you don't have hand washing available, make sure you take alcohol-based hand sanitizer and wash your hands thoroughly after handling raw meat and before eating. If you're taking raw meat out to a picnic, make sure you keep it separate from all of the beverages and ready-to-eat foods. It's important to cook your meat and chicken thoroughly, and when we say thoroughly, we mean that hamburger must be cooked to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, chicken must be cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, fish to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and hot dogs to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The most important thing you can do is don't rely on sight to determine if your food is done or not. Use a thin tipped thermometer, digital, that you can use to insert into the food and make sure your food reaches the proper temperature. It's important to keep in mind that food has germs. The best way you can keep foods from making you sick is to cook your meat and chicken thoroughly. Wash fruits and vegetables before you eat them. Wash your hands after handling raw meat and raw chicken, and especially wash your hands before you eat. If you have leftovers from your picnic or barbecue, make sure they have not been in the temperature danger zone for more than 2 hours. If they have, throw them out. Here at the Department of Health, we have everything you need for a safe picnic or barbecue. Visit our website at www.doh.wa.gov or search for us at Washington State Department of Health.